In this video, I'm going to show you how to change the color of your chart in TradingView. Now, the first thing you want to do, you want to go to the top right and click on the settings cogwheel. And then from here, you can see you can switch the canvas. And in here, it says background. So you want to switch from either solid to gradient, whatever you want to use. I'm just going to go with background and I'm going to leave it at solid. And I'm going to basically go to, for example, light blue. As you can see, the background has changed. But if I do gradient, I can also set up a gradient like this. So I could go from this to this color, for example, and there we go. That's how it's going to be looking, okay? That's how to change the color of your chart. But of course, you can change different other things, like for example, grid lines over here. You can change the color of those as well. So it's entirely possible if you want to. And then you can also change kind of the opacity over here and stuff like this, as you can see. So if you wanna, you can do that. You can also change your crosshair. So it's going to be the pointer on your screen over here. And then what you can also do is, of course, go to symbol and change the colors of your symbols. So you can change the body, borders, wicks, etc. Okay? That's how to change the color of your chart. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.